A point source of light is kept at a distance of 50 cm from a converging lens on the optical axis. The focal length of the lens is 10 cm and its diameter is 3 cm. A screen is placed on the other side of the lens, perpendicular to the axis of the lens at a distance of 20 cm from it. Then find the area of the illuminated part of the screen. If I consider a convex lens and an object is placed at this point at a distance of, the object is placed at a distance of 15 cm from the converging lens, the focal length over here of this lens will be equal to 10 cm. It will be positive 10. So now how will the light rays pass? It will pass through the lens, through the corner, in all the possible direction, but first through the corner, and then it will converge and meet at a certain point. Let us find out the distance at which it meets. For that we will use the lens formula 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by v, the object distance is minus 15, and the focal length over here is equal to positive 1 by 10. So 1 by v will be equal to negative 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10. Okay, negative 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, so it will come out to be minus 3 plus 2, which will be minus 2 plus 3, which will be equal to plus 1 divided by 30. So the distance of the image will be equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, the distance of the image will be equal to at the 30 centimeter. But before the image reaches any point, there is a screen placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from it. Okay, there is a screen placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from it. We have to find out the area on this screen, that is, we have to find out this radius. Once we get this radius, we can calculate the area. Okay, once we get this radius, we will calculate the area. If I draw a line over here, the diameter is given as 3 centimeter. So this height will be equal to 1.5 centimeter. This height over here will be equal to 1.5 centimeter. Let us calculate this height. Okay, we have to calculate this height. Okay, for that I will take two similar triangles. This is the first triangle and this is the second triangle over here. Okay, now the first triangle, this is the first triangle. Okay, and this is the second triangle over here. So for the first triangle, this distance is equal to 30. Okay, this distance over here is equal to 30. If this distance is 20, for the second triangle this will be equal to 10. Okay, so I can say that 30 divided by 10 will be equal to the radius over here will be equal to 1.5. okay, divided by this height is unknown, which is equal to x. So I can say that x will be equal to 1.5 divided by 3, which is equal to 0.5 centimeter. So if I want to calculate the area covered, this is the radius. Okay, if I want to calculate the area covered, it will be equal to pi r square. It will be equal to pi into r square. R square will be equal to 0.25. Okay, so pi into 0.25 will be the answer, or basically it will be equal to pi by 4. This will be the area covered by the screen. Okay, when the source is placed at a certain point.